Police Department has concluded a 9-month-long undercover operation targeting gang members and career criminals within our community. The undercover operation was conducted in partnership with federal authorities, specifically the Bureau of Alcohol, Tobacco, and Firearms, and focused on the illegal sale and possession of firearms. We were able to infiltrate networks that are traditionally very difficult for law enforcement to access. We purchased dangerous weapons from very dangerous suspects. In total, we secured warrants for 74 suspects with multiple gang affiliations. Along with weapons, we also purchased narcotics. As of today, 53 of our 74 suspects have been captured and are in custody, awaiting their judicial proceedings. All of the cases are being evaluated by the U.S. Attorney's Office for federal adoption. Having served in an undercover capacity, I understand the danger and personal risk involved in purchasing weapons and narcotics. I'm proud of the men and women of the Greenville Police Department and the ATF who participated in this operation. I would like to remind people that if you engage in this type of activity in the city of Greenville, you can expect to soon have your picture in one of our press conferences, as our operations are ongoing and relentless. I would also like to thank numerous Greenville residents for your continued support in ridding our communities of these dangerous criminals that threaten our sense of calm and security. We pledge to you our absolute dedication and focus toward creating a safer Greenville.
Most of these people are Greenville residents or at least frequent Greenville on a daily basis. So we feel they are in the area, and it's just a matter of time before they're picked up. We know that the citizens will call in either to Crime Stoppers or to the police department and give us the whereabouts of those criminals. Well, if you look at the PowerPoint that's scrolling, you see a lot of these folks have gang affiliations. As the chief said, if you're going to participate in that type of activity in Greenville, we're going to come after you. We're going to come after you with everything that the law allows, whether it be federal prosecution, state prosecution, asset seizure. We did seize 2 vehicles out of this. We seized 27 guns. We're coming for you if you're going to commit a crime in Greenville. There were, like I said, there were 27 illegally possessed firearms. 3 additional firearms were seized during the arrest operation. There was 157.7 grams of marijuana, 129.56 grams of crack cocaine, 20.8 grams of powder cocaine, 770 bundles of heroin weighing 207.2 grams, 15.9 grams of MDMA, which is ecstasy, 20.2 grams of diazepam, which is Valium, 7.5 grams of Percocet, and 1.3 grams of oxycodone. Again, these weapons and drugs, that puts a major dent in our gang population that's here in town. And by taking these 53 people off the street, I'm sorry, that also puts a major dent in the gang activity here in Greenville. Anytime someone goes beyond that uniform, that protection of being highly visible, they go in where, you know, a lot of us don't want to walk through, don't want to be seen in those neighborhoods that when you ride through, you know, you're kind of like, you know, I've never been through here, or I'm kind of scared coming through here. You know, just that it's a difficult situation because you don't know what to expect. You don't have immediate backup, such as being able to pick up a radio and call someone, but you have. In an undercover capacity, you're just putting your life on the line, and it's like I said, it's totally dangerous.